Hello everyone, welcome back to Job Code. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing Visual Studio for .NET MAUI development. Let's get started. First, let's head to the official Microsoft website to download Visual Studio. For that, you have to open your web browser and navigate to the Visual Studio download link. So let's type Visual Studio over here and click on the first link which comes up. Once you are on the page, select the edition of Visual Studio you want and click download. So here we have three Visual Studio versions available. So Community Edition is free to use. So once you click on this, this will initiate the download process. So once the download is complete, you have to locate the download installer and run it. As I have already installed it on my machine, so I'm not going to run it. But in your case, if you have not installed, you can click on run and this will open the Visual Studio installer. So in Visual Studio installer, you can see the version of Visual Studio which is going to download. So here you'll see an install button. So you can install Visual Studio from here. In my case, I have already installed it, so I'm getting a modify as a new update is available. In Visual Studio installer, you'll have different options to customize your installation based on your preferences. Like you can select different workloads which you need during your development. You can select different individual components, language packs, and you can also get to choose the installation location where you want to install your Visual Studio. So to get started with .NET MAUI, so ensure you select the .NET Multi-Platform App UI Development checkbox here. So you can check or uncheck different workloads and you can modify it from here and this will install those workloads into your machine. So in our case, we need just this one only. So with this workload, these are the individual components which comes by default with this. So based on your requirements, you can select or unselect any components. But for this tutorial, we'll go with the defaults only. So once the installation is done, this may take some time depending on your internet speed and component selected. So once it is complete, then you are ready to start using Visual Studio for .NET MAUI development. And there you have it. So Visual Studio is now installed and ready for .NET MAUI development. Let's check it. So I'll open up my Visual Studio, create a new project, and we'll type .NET MAUI here. And you can see now we have all the different components available to us to get started with .NET MAUI. So that's it for this tutorial. In our next video, we'll see how to create a new .NET MAUI application from scratch and we'll go over the different components which comes by default with the default project. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.